Hi, welcome back. Today, we are going to talk about formula of organic compounds. For formula, it is split into three main groups: empirical, molecular, and structural. Under structural formula, there are four more subgroups. They are condensed, full, stereo, and skeletal. We will find out the differences between them soon. Firstly, let us look at empirical formula and molecular formula. Empirical shows the simplest ratio of the different types of elements present in a compound. As for molecular formula, it shows the actual number of different types of atoms present in a compound. Using ethane as an example, it has a molecular formula of C2H6, which represents the actual number of different elements present in a compound. Dividing the number of different elements by 2 will give us the empirical formula, CH3, which is the simplest unit. The same applies to ethanoic acid. Now, we'll look at condensed structural formula, which shows how the atoms are arranged sequentially and the chemical bonds are hidden. On the other hand, for full structural formula, all the atoms and their chemical bonds are shown. Next, we'll talk about Stereochemical Formula, which shows the 3D spatial arrangement of the atoms. The wedge bond means that the atom is coming out of the page, while the dash bond means that the atom is pointing into the page. Lastly, we'll look at skeletal formula, which shows only the carbon skeleton and the functional groups. Each vertex of the skeleton represents one carbon and the hydrogen atoms are omitted. Now, let us look at work example 4. Can you draw the condensed, full structural, stereochemical, and skeletal formula for ethanol? Try it on your own